Hello everyone and welcome to our paper jewelry video. Today we'll be showing you how to make this basic semicircle base out of paper. We're going to be using to make different earrings with this. So this is just the basic course for the base. As you can see, we have a semicircular base with an eye pin on top. This is for attaching the hooks or the studs to our earring. You can use a silver or a golden eye pin. As you can see, we have used a silver one in this, and today we'll be using a golden one. All we need is an eye pin, some glue, and here we have some cutouts. We're using 2-inch circular cutouts that we've used a hand punch for, and we have 11 of these over here. So we're going to just fold them into half, holding them like this and folding them into half. Like this. We're going to fold all 11 of these and then we're going to show you how to stick them. Now we folded up all 11 of these into semicircles, as you can see. Now the first one that we're going to use, we're going to attach a eye pin inside it. So we're going to open this, apply glue all over inside. We're applying glue on one side of the semicircle. That is one side of the circle. And we're going to attach a eye pin to it. Like this. And folding it over. We're going to press it to secure our pin nicely inside so it is nice and snug and it doesn't come out when we make our earrings. And that's the basic center of our base. And now we have 10 more semicircles and we're going to attach 5 on either side of the base. All we have to do is take these, apply a little glue inside each, close them up, don't apply too much glue, just a little bit. Close them tightly. Now taking our center, apply glue to one side. And we're going to stick this semicircle, matching all ends like this. Similarly with the other side. And then back over here again, and we are going to do 5 for this side and 5 for this side. As you can see, we've stuck 5 pieces to one side, that is this side. This side we still have to stick our papers, so you can still see the pin on this side. You can see the thickness of the earring on this side. Now similarly, we are going to apply all 5 of these papers to the other side. Now we've stuck 4 pieces of our semicircles on this side. This is the last piece that we are going to stick. Just applying a little glue. Be sure to apply it on all the edges. You can use a brush to spread it if you like. Putting on our last piece. Going to press it down on all the edges. Like so. And there we have our basic semicircle base. Be sure to let it dry before using it for any of the designs that we're making. So you'd need to make this about a day earlier before you can make your designs on this. You can see 22 layers of paper because we've used 11 circles and folded them in half. So it's a pretty nice base, nice and sturdy for all the other designs that we're going to make on it. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For other designs, you can go to our Facebook page, that is Nikki Nish Paper Jewelry. Thanks for watching our video.